you will learn the most essential concepts in decentralization, including DeFi, DAO, dApps, and smart contracts. If you don't know what these terms mean, don't worry, you'll understand them after completing this course. In this first module, we will introduce you to DeFi, which stands for Decentralized Finance. A core concept of blockchain technology is decentralization, meaning the control of decision-making and execution is transferred from a centralized entity to a distributed network. One major use case of blockchain technology is in financial services, and DeFi refers to an ecosystem of financial applications built on blockchain networks, especially those governed by smart contracts. DeFi aims to create an open-source, permissionless, and transparent financial services ecosystem that is available to everyone and operates without any central authority. Moreover, users would retain complete control over their assets and interact with this ecosystem through peer-to-peer decentralized applications. The term DeFi was created in 2018 by several Ethereum developers, but the actual DeFi movement arguably started with the creation of Bitcoin in 2009. Bitcoin could be considered the first peer-to-peer digital money built on blockchain technology, which can be classified as DeFi. The real milestone in DeFi, however, is the launch of the Ethereum network in 2015. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, a more versatile programming language, and the ERC20 token standards. The protocol supports smart contracts that provide functions suitable for financial services, such as decentralized asset lending. The Ethereum network quickly began attracting developers to build all kinds of dApps, making Ethereum the foundation for DeFi applications. The DeFi space experienced exceptional growth after that. The total value locked in DeFi, which measures the total funds deposited in DeFi protocols, grew from $250 million in the beginning of 2019 to a peak of $250 billion at the end of 2021. Some notable DeFi applications include stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, lending, and borrowing protocols. We will go into more detail in the next module when we discuss specific use cases of DeFi. From the user's perspective, the core benefit of DeFi is enabling easy access to a wide range of financial services, especially for those isolated from the traditional financial system. The most significant difference between DeFi and traditional finance, or TradFi, is arguably accessibility. Anyone can create a crypto wallet and begin using DeFi services as long as they can access the internet. There are no signups, no minimum account balances, or identity verification that TradFi institutions require. This means DeFi can help improve financial inclusion by serving the unbanked. You probably heard about CeFi, which stands for Centralized Finance. It's a world where financial services are managed by centralized financial institutions. I know it's confusing, but even inside the crypto world, not every financial service is decentralized. When we say CeFi in the crypto space, it generally refers to crypto trades that are handled through a centralized exchange. For example, staking tokens to earn rewards through a centralized exchange often requires users to use a custodial wallet and to trust the centralized exchange. CeFi still dominates many aspects of the crypto world. As of 2021, over 90% of crypto trading volume took place on centralized exchanges. DeFi, on the other hand, doesn't involve any middleman. Decentralized exchanges complete trades via self-executing smart contracts and peer-to-peer transactions. Users interact with their own personal wallets and don't have to deposit crypto with a third party. Both DeFi and CeFi have their advantages and limitations. CeFi provides convenience and reduces the technical complications of managing various DeFi products on your own. CeFi also offers fiat-to-crypto trading services, and major platforms provide customer support. While DeFi gives users complete control over their crypto, more privacy, and many other attractive features, it has its limitations. It requires a lot of experience and research in addition to potential technological failures, lack of cross-chain services, and security risks. Specifically, because DeFi applications transfer the responsibility from the intermediaries to the user, it has potentially more risks relating to user errors. DeFi is also currently a cluttered and risky ecosystem. It can be a daunting task for users to find the most suitable application for a specific use case. When you explore DeFi services, you also need to bear in mind the many risks you face, including counterparty risk, regulatory risk, software risk, and risks relating to low market cap tokens. Despite these limitations, DeFi is always evolving and innovating. Its many advantages can potentially bring enormous benefits to populations globally, particularly those left outside of traditional financial markets.